It's about that time. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Rob from Extreme Performance. That's Extreme with 3X's. And the parts finally came. Well, kinda. So, I know I said I was going to get the DSS drive shaft shop. And that's still going to come. That is still coming, but hear me out. I want to thank my friend Norbert from DSM Part Outs. He hooked me up with a transfer case and a drive shaft stock replacement. So we're going to put that on today and hopefully get things going. So first things first, as you can see, we got the car jacked up already. Got the hood open because we got to undo my downpipe. Yeah. This is going to be interesting. Oh, just an update for y'all too, just so y'all know. Yes, I still run the math, but I am going speed density pretty soon. As you can see, I already have everything set up for it. Like I said, everything's pretty much set up to go speed density right now. The only thing is, I'm going to wait until I either get ECU with DSM link or just go straight standalone, like AEM or maybe even a Haltech. Simply because trying to do it on SETI mod, it's too much math. I'm sorry. Way too much math for me. I'm great at math and all, but the amount of math and time that it takes, I just want to do it. I don't have to sit there and do math, do this, do that, and do this and that, just to get it to run right. So yeah. But as I was saying, first thing we want to do, like I said, car jacked up. There's the new transfer case right there. Want to take off the downpipe so we can actually fit that in there. So, we come down here. Can you see it? No. Transfer case, right there. Bolted on. So yeah. Now, put the rest of the drive shaft up. And you know what? The next thing I'm going to get, definitely going to be a new exhaust because this is all type of bent and mucked. So we are day number 2 on fixing the Eclipse. Now the reason why I say day number 2 is because of the fact that yesterday we couldn't finish, had some things I had to do, and had to stop midway, but all we gotta do now is just put the drive shaft on and that's about it. Yeah. Then of course like double check everything, make sure everything's tight like a tiger, and take it for a spin. So, let's get... Oh yeah, and before I start, give it to my Starbucks Frappuccino Vanilla. I love this stuff. It's amazing. Okay, now, we got the front half of the drive shaft on. All that's left now is to take off what's remaining of the rear drive shaft from the old one and put the stock replacement back on. Looking at it, it doesn't seem that bad, but as you can see, my muffler exhaust is still mucked up. That looks really bad, honestly. So, can't wait to get my new muffler exhaust system put in. Don't know if I still want to go with the thermal R&D like I have right now, or I might just go with something a little different. Let's find out. Alright, now that we took that off, we can actually see the full extent of what actually happened to this thing. Look at that. Just rip a Reno. This thing is completely like just toast. You can see like, I don't know if you can see in there, but I know one of the ball bearings is just like free moving now. Well, let's finish doing this, and I'm gonna see what I can do about that heat shield over there. But yeah, just to update y'all on what's everything's been going on, the Eclipse is back up and running again. Thanks to Norbert from DSM Part Out and Ethan from Tuner Part Out, because they both kind of helped me out with parts for the car, getting this thing up and running again. And I guess I'll show you the update. Hold on one second. Alright, so here we are. Black rose. Put it up because I'm about to actually get some of these leaves taken out. You know, falling off. And I'm also planning on taking some photos at this spot that I found, which I think would be pretty dope. I was thinking about doing a nighttime photo op, or might just do both, one during the day, one during the night. And I'm gonna take y'all along for the ride. Let's see if y'all can see it from down here. Yeah. Now, yes, I know exhaust still dented up over there. Originally, what was going to happen was I was going to order a whole new exhaust system. Now, hear me out. I'm not going to do that. Instead, what I'm going to do is either go to Evolve Tuning or something, have them cut where it got dented up at, and just replace it with a 3-inch piping. 3-inch pipe right there. Figure that'd be a lot easier than, also a lot cheaper than just going with a whole new exhaust setup. See the transfer case. Still gotta tighten that down. Not done yet. But transfer case, drive shaft in the back somewhere. If you can see it, don't know. See if I can get from another angle. Let's see. Drive shaft, bang, right there. Going all the way back. Yep. Also got some new bolts for the drive shaft, as you can see. Shiny. But yeah, that's about it. Also, because this kind of wanted to do its thing, what I'm gonna do is get some self-tapping screws, just like what's on the other side, and just bolt this down. I mean, it is gonna get painted, so we'll see. But yeah, let's go to the photo spot. So that was the first spot that I wanted to go to. But yeah, figured that was a dope spot. I want to do another shot there at night though. The next one, I definitely gotta do it at nighttime because number one, traffic. And I feel like the scenery would look better at night anyway. But yeah, see people just rolling by. I'm not going to lie though, it actually feels good to drive this car again. Going basically a month without driving this thing, I went through some serious boost withdrawal. I was in my girlfriend's car, literally acting like it had a turbo in it. Literally just like making noise sound effects just because I missed it. And now I'm back. No, Idle isn't completely perfect. It still bounces between like 14.8 to 15. It'll stay between there. But she does drive, and she does pull very nicely. I missed it. Alright, now with everything being done and whatnot, and like I said, I still have another couple more spots that I want to go do a photo shoot at. So I'm going to wait until it gets a little darker outside. That way the light effect is actually a lot better. Yeah, light effect is actually a lot better, and it looks better in the picture. Because honestly, city backgrounds when it's just daytime, I mean, it's a cool shot, but it looks better with the city lights. So I can't wait until tonight to do that part. But, yeah, so the next few things that I plan on getting for the Black Rivers Eclipse will be the FP manifold, turbo manifold, an FP black turbo. Still gonna have to get a new O2 housing for the tile wastegate that I want to get. Definitely need to lower it, so I'm going to get some coilovers and a new radiator. All that said and done should be pretty good. Oh, also plan on getting new cams too. Probably going to get some GSC 3s, some either 272 or 280 durations. And then I should be set for phase 1 of the Eclipse. Then after that, we're going into phase 2, y'all. Definitely phase 2. And yes, I am still going to end up getting my drive shaft shop and drive shaft. Just going to be later on down the road. Probably on phase 2. It'll be in there. But yeah. So, we're going to hang out a little bit. Play some Forza. Yeah, I'm on that Forza 4. If you got Xbox Live, add me. You can race. What it is, what it do. We are back again. Here it is. Told you I was going to try and do another photo shoot at night. And here we are. So, we're going to be looking for a spot to take a shoot at without getting too much trouble. Hopefully none at all. And yeah, let's see how this goes. Alright. Alright, so that's going to conclude the video today. I tried getting as much as I could, but like I said, didn't really want to get into too much trouble, nor did I want to cause any trouble. Having anyone come to me like, hey, you know, you're not supposed to be up here doing this, blah blah blah. So I only took like a couple shots, did a couple little hand shots, I guess you can call it. But yeah, that's going to conclude the video for today. So peace out. Remember, life's too boring to drive a boring car. Keep it extreme, alright?